السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه السلام عليك أين الله في خلقه.
It's very important that sometimes we need to measure. We need to make sure that have we got enough or not. So what tool we can use to measure our ma'rifah to Imam and to see our Iman is growing? I think one very important tool is to see how much in your heart you are able to accommodate others. Are you able to accommodate your family only? Other families in the community only? For example, all the Lebanese, for example, all the Iranians, all the Pakistanis, all the Indians, all the Khojas, or all mu'mineen and mu'minat of all over the world, or all humanity, not in the same way, not in an equal way. Of course, you have more concern with your own immediate, relatives, etc. I'm not saying for us mu'mineen and humanity are the same, but I'm saying a person who is a true lover of Allah and Hujjah of Allah should have concern for all humanity, even for animals, for plants, for the whole creation. So one tool is at least to see how much you are united among yourselves, how much you love each other. If you see your sister in faith has problem, are you restless? Are you praying for her? Are you trying to help her? Or you don't bother? Or na'uzu billah, sometimes you create problem for each other. So my love for Allah and Imam is not just how much I love them only, how much I love for the sake of them. حب في الله سلم لمن سالمكم, not just سلم لكم. So if you love each other, if you have concern for each other, you pray for each other, this is a great sign that you are progressing, inshallah. Sometimes, for example, you go to ziyarah. Sometimes people, for example, if they go to Karbala, they think how much I love Imam Hussein alayhi salam. How much Imam Hussein loves me. Yeah, this is a good question that you should ask. How much I love him, how much he loves me. My understanding is if you want to see how much you love him and how much he loves you, see how much you love people who are there. If people who are there, you love them, it means that Imam loves you and you love Imam. If people who are there, they don't bother, you don't bother about them, they don't matter, you have problem. If na'uzu billah, you consider them as troublers, you wish none of them was there, this means you are very selfish. These people are lovers of Imam, have come from all over the world. I should love them, I should be very happy, even if we don't know each other. So the way you feel towards them is a sign of the way your Imam feels about you.
السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه